Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your website security with Sucuri, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Sucuri website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the Security tab from the menu. Choose Website Firewall to access the firewall settings. Click on Get Started to initiate the configuration process. Enter your website URL in the provided field. Choose your plan according to your website needs. Follow the prompts to integrate the firewall with your site. Verify ownership of your domain by following the instructions provided. Once verification is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Next, head to the Malware Scan section. Initiate a scan to check for any existing vulnerabilities. Review the scan results, paying attention to any flagged issues. If any vulnerabilities are found, take action to resolve them. Now, go to the security logs to review recent activity. Monitor these logs regularly for any suspicious behavior. You can also enable notifications for security alerts. Next, navigate to the hardening options. Implement suggestions to enhance your website's overall security. Consider setting up the monitoring features for real-time alerts. Regularly check for software updates and apply them promptly. Finally, take time to review Sucuri's resources for ongoing security tips. By following these steps, you can enhance your website's security effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.